I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. We are into April, summer has finally begun. There is a lot of brightness, heat, and a lot of colors around us. This video is going to be a summer homemaking video where I will be sharing with you how I have given my home and some nooks and corners of our home a summer touch, some decor ideas, some food ideas to make summer 2021 super memorable. Also, this video is in association with Atomwork Technologies. So, let's get started. Cold winter days had cozy linen and cushions and candles and other things that reflected warmth and coziness.
At night aligns all the shady features in all our empty worlds. Behind the scene, they're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts.
Now it's time to ring in the fresh summer air. Remove heavy linen. I don't like heavy bed sheets too. Anything heavy with a rough texture I put away in the back of the cupboard and bring something light and bright. Switch to lighter and airy furnishings. This is the first step to summer homemaking.
Broken hearts, but I believe in coloring the world. Gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back.
This is our second bedroom. This room was unfinished when we first moved in. Last year we did all the necessary woodwork just before the pandemic started. We haven't really done up or decorated this room after the woodwork, so I thought I will do it now with a summer theme so I can share it with you and welcome you. Come on in. After dusting and cleaning, I'm going to drape this bedsheet that I already have on hand. It has a light and summery vibe. Cushions and curtains and throws come next. It is a good idea to use room darkening drapes to keep the harsh sun out. I use them in our bedrooms. They help to keep the room cool and comfortable. Along with these dark ones, I love layered light color sheer curtains to let in the light and air. I am beginning with the walls now. Any painting or artwork on the wall immediately adds character to any room. I have this frame on hand. Along with the frame, I will be putting this picture ledge on this wall as a bookshelf.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that
I got this wall bracket to fix it here on the wall to hang lights which will act as bedside lamp, and we can free up the floor space.
just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. It's not that you're timid, no one could say. Choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out on the way. So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
This room had a fan in which the capacitor had given up and was generating lot of noise.
Okay.
Please switch it on. Whoa. You switched it off? I was meaning to replace the fan when Attenberg approached me with their collection, just the perfect time for us. As you can see, the fans are not just fans but design pieces and style statements. You all know me, I love functionality with a touch of aesthetics, so I immediately fell in love with these fans from Attenberg. Attenberg fans are said to reduce electricity consumption by 65%, and they use BLDC technology, which is energy efficient, generates less noise and no motor heating. Their Renaissance Smart Plus series have sleek metallic or wooden finish, have a smart remote control with boost, sleep and timer mode. They also come with smart LED speed indicator lights. You can control the speed with the help of the remote, and the best thing, you can access the Attenberg app from Android or iOS Play Store. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Home Assistant as well. Do check out their collection this summer. It will be a perfect blend of style and savings for your home. We will be announcing one giveaway at the end of this video, so keep watching. This room is summer ready now, and I guess yellow is still my favorite summer color. I am thinking of switching to pastels though. Let me know what is your favorite summer color. It feels so good when simple, elegant touches change the vibe of the room. And it is one more step to my summer homemaking.
They're picking up the pieces of all broken hearts, but I believe in coloring the world. Gotta holler to be heard in time. We can fight back, ready to go right back to the sky.
Summer is the time for blossoms and greenery. If you haven't already, do bring home some plants and enjoy feasting your eyes on the fresh green and bright flowers. I love my bougainvilleas and spend some time in my green balcony in the company of nature, especially in the evening. I have done a detailed video on the balcony decor. Do take a look at it to spruce up your balcony for summer. Let me share some summer care tips which we follow for our plants. They tend to dry up faster, so be consistent with your watering. Make a humidity tray by adding pebbles and water for those plants which need humid atmosphere. Some leaves cannot take the harsh light and tend to shrivel up. Identify and move those plants to the shade. Late spring or early summer season is the good time to fertilize the plant. Spray the leaves frequently or every alternate days to keep them humid and fresh. Make sure to water the plants in early morning or after sunset so that the water will not evaporate quickly. I have heard mixed opinion on the time of watering plants. Morning or evening? When do you water them? Do let me know. I have much to learn from all of you. Do you remember the times when our mothers would make achars and papads and sun-dry them? They also used to sun-dry yearly provisions, tur dal, chilies, etc. on the terrace. I think it's a great idea to experiment these at least once this summer. This year I am prepping mirchi ka achar, kache aam ka murabba and my husband's favorite sirke wali pyaz. Summer homemaking is also about the summer aromas, isn't it? We can use the pandemic days and staying at home to retrieve these traditions. I have never tried making achar, always thought I would. This year, finally I am starting. Taking small steps towards cherishing our traditions which make me really happy.
See where this road will take us now.
Onions have volatile oils that are known to keep the body cool and balance the temperature during hot days. So make sure to add onions in your raitas or in salads in your summer diet. I really enjoyed making this mirchi ka achar, which will be divine and so perfect with chilled curd rice, and this murabba with roti or paratha, and this sirke wale pyaz. I don't know, it will go with so many things. Next time it is going to be aam ka achar. Any tips for me? Please share them in the comments and also find the detailed recipe in the description box below. Lastly, I know you know, but it's always a good reminder. Do take care of yourself during summer and stay hydrated. Load up on watermelons, tender coconut and indulge in yum fresh fruit juices. Aam panna, gulkand, sharbat, nature has literally laid out a treat for us. One pro tip, if you are a mango lover, soaking it in water for a few minutes helps in better digestion and assimilation and is said to reduce the heat of the mango. For us ladies, dresses are close to our heart. I can't wind up the video without sharing a few summer dresses tips for you. Pack away your woolens and bring out those old, soft, light cotton clothes that are so comfortable and airy. Yes, I say old because with so many washes, cotton becomes so soft and soothing to the skin. Plazos are my favorites for summer with cotton kurta or kurtis. I love to wear dresses around this time of the year too. Nowadays, we all are at home. Why to keep everything inside the wardrobe and wait for the right time? Make yourself beautiful first before you making your home beautiful.
Now finally, it's a giveaway time. One lucky winner can win this absolutely gorgeous fan. All you need to do is
like this video and let us know that one summer kitchen tradition you have seen in your home or you want to maintain in your home. Leave us a comment down below and do follow Atomberg Technologies Instagram page to explore their amazing range of ceiling fans and latest technologies. Make sure to check the description box for more giveaway rules and don't forget to subscribe to Home #Live for more contents. Also, you can find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
See where this road